Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to find the download folder on Samsung Galaxy A27. To find the downloaded folder with all the files that you have downloaded from browsers, you can simply go to All Apps view, then go to Samsung folder. Very likely there will be the My Files app. From now on, you can simply get to the downloads, which are right here. I don't have any downloaded files, but here are all the files that you've downloaded from any browsers, just in the downloads. And if you couldn't locate the folder, you can always just use the search bar and search for files. As you can see, it's right here, and that's how you can find it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.